you can't really tell if it's moving or not. So we're gonna add some meshes so we can show that it's moving. Let's see, architecture. Alright, we're gonna just add chairs. I'm gonna make like 5 scale of chairs. So I'm holding Alt, and that's how I'm able to make a new one. Oops. Alright. F1. W. What? I can't see them. Alright, F1, W. Now you see the chairs. And also in Unlay. And one more time, just to show you what it's like in Unlay. You can see the chairs are showing. And it's moving. So now we want it to where once you press, when you press W it keeps going forever. We want to make it to where when you release it stops. So now you say clear timer by function in. And same thing over here, Control C and then Control V. And now when I press W I should be able to go forward, but when I let go of it, it stops. And you see it's kind of smooth too because it's 0.01 seconds.